We are following the story behind this iconic picture taken more than 40 years ago. Kim Phuc was 9 years old when her South Vietnamese village was attacked. A napalm bomb was dropped on her village, and she was burned over 50% of her body.
She has lived her life with the pain and scarring, but finally got some help from a Miami dermatologist who is helping heal burn patients with lasers. But that's not all she does.
Yeah, Melanie, you went to Miami to see her work. Incredible.
She is really an amazing woman, and she is a passionate person. She wants to teach this technique to other doctors. She's already doing it, traveling all over the world. She says she believes in the power of lasers, and she doesn't give herself much credit, but her patients certainly do. She is working with severe burn victims and also patients with acne and surgical scars.
These lasers are erasing painful memories with the power of light.
This was one of the worst moments of my life because I was the best man at my best friend's wedding, and they had the entire wedding party move and shift because my skin was so bad on one side.
Anna started developing cystic acne when she was 23 years old with large red bumps that were painful and swollen. Her face was at war. For years, she battled it, and when the acne went away, it left behind deep facial scarring.
I spent years very depressed. You know, having bad skin is like wearing clothing you hate every day. And people comment on it.
Sherry was in a different fight that lasers could address. Surgical scarring after battling breast cancer.
I went from a simple mastectomy to a radical mastectomy.
And explain that. What's radical?
Radical is where they take everything, including the tissue, the muscles and the tendons and everything. So all that's left is just skin.
Eventually, she got implants, but she has never been the same.
When they went in, I had scars. I have scars across, and I have scars underneath, and I have scars down my arm. And they were very predominant. And wearing a short sleeve shirt, or if I lift my arms, you know, people would stare.
Sherry is a runner, so her workout clothes show her scars. Anna is a teacher, and she said even her kids would ask questions about her scarring. They both stumbled on Dr. Weibel in different ways, and she could help them both with the same tool.
With acne scars, it's always a journey. Yeah, it's like filling a hole with dirt. You're just filling collagen up.
Anna's scars were so deep, she could put her finger inside them. Now, after several months of laser treatment,
for the first time in probably over 25 years, I feel like my outside matches my inside. I look like me, and I don't feel ashamed looking in the mirror, and I don't feel embarrassed like I'm wearing some kind of ugly mask on every day.
These treatments take time because during the months in between, the skin has to heal, building collagen.
That it's going to take time, you're going to have to be patient, I'm going to have to be patient, but it works. I've never treated a patient in 10 years that hasn't gotten better with laser.
Dr. Weibel has dozens of lasers, and she picks them like a composer produces music. They all do something different. Some are harsher than others, and she has to be thoughtful about her plan. But she doesn't take the credit.
Yeah, well, it's the lasers are the one, but we...
No,
yeah.
you're the one.
Okay, well, Anna's very special too, so... And we're getting there. We're close.
Most treatments are less than 30 minutes, and patients leave a little red, like they have a sunburn. But for Sherry, it's well worth it. The treatment is her opportunity to fully embrace that she survived cancer, and now she can run on.
After the 6 treatments, you can really see a difference. There's certain areas that you can't even tell there's a scar there anymore. It's really neat.
Both ladies are grateful because they had started to give up on the life they once knew and loved. But slowly, with lasers, the future is looking bright.
We're just in awe of this video and the transformations, right?
Yeah, the stories are absolutely amazing.
You can tell they're getting their life back. I have a couple questions for you, though. Is it very, very painful? And also, like, what's the downtime? Because I know some laser treatments that can get rid of acne. I mean, you're down for a couple of weeks.
Well, so actually, the woman that you saw running, Anna and Sherry, I met up with both of them the next day, and all they were, it was a little red, looked like they had had a sunburn. And so the way she's using the laser, she calls it like a gentle treatment because they are able to get out there and show their face the very next day. It is painful in some cases, but again, they made it sound like more like a rubber band snapping your skin. So nothing they couldn't tolerate. Of course, they're happy once it's over, but you know, they're doing great. I mean, and they're excited. And again, many of them didn't even know this existed. So we have all of these stories. In fact, Kim Phuc's story. We have another man who was a pilot. His plane slammed up against a mountain. He was burned all over his body, and he looks brand new now. So we have all those stories on newsforjax.com. You will find them on the homepage.